Hello friends, welcome to TestingShala YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning what is the day in the life of an Agile tester. That means being an Agile tester, what you will be doing in day out. You will be knowing in detail what is roles and responsibilities in a day in day out for an Agile tester. Before moving further, if you have visited TestingShala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. So let us move on and understand what are the activity that Agile tester would be doing in day out. The first thing you will be doing as an Agile tester, you would be attending daily stand-up meetings. This is very crucial meeting which normally Agile testers would be attending as part of his daily work. In this meeting, you will be providing an update. You will be providing the 3 updates in this meeting. One is what has been done yesterday, what he is going to do today, and what are the impediments or any issues is on his way for his work. So these are the 3 important things which he is going to discuss, and he is going to update this information to his Scrum Master. This is the first activity which you would be doing as a Agile tester. The second thing he will be doing here is he will be attending the walkthrough meetings. The sprint walkthrough meetings you will be attending where POs or PMs will be walking through the user stories, and they will help the testers and developer to understand what is all those user stories about. This is the second important thing you would be doing as an Agile tester. Where the third is once he attended the sprint walkthrough meetings, then you will be spending enough time in understanding the requirement, and if he is having any clarities required, you will reach out to architects, you will be reaching out to BAs, you will be reaching out to other various stakeholders to get it clarified. Sometimes if the documents are not proper, then you may require to do exploratory testing as well to assess what is all about requirement. This is the third activity being an Agile tester you would be performing. The fourth important activity in the day of the Agile tester is you will be creating test cases. Based on the understanding of the requirements, you will be creating the test cases, or you will be designing the test cases. Once the designs are done of a test case, then you will get it reviewed the test cases from the other stakeholders. That could be your BAs, that could be your POs, or it could be your own team leads or test leads who would be doing the review of your test cases. This is the fifth important activity being a Agile tester you would be performing. Then the sixth, once the review is done, once the sign off the test cases, then those test cases will get executed once the tester would be getting the build from the development team. Then the seventh activity which you would be doing here is during the execution he may be finding bugs or defects. When the bugs and defects pops up, then he will be doing a defect reporting. During defect reporting, you will also perform the root cause analysis, and you will give all the relevant information in the bug report. This is the seventh important activity which the Agile testers perform in his day in day out. The eighth activity which he does is once the user story testing is done, he will be attending sprint demo sessions where he will give a demo for the user story which has completed the testing, and where everything, if it is working, then he will be giving a demo to all the stakeholders in the Scrum team. This is the eighth activity which he performs. Then the ninth would be you would also be attending retrospective meetings. So this is the meeting where everybody will come into the one meeting where they will be discussing on how that sprint went well or sprint did not went well, or what are the challenges which we face, how you could have done better in this sprint. All those feedbacks will be discussing in those meetings. As an outcome of those meetings, they will come up with lesson learned items. Those lesson learned items will be start adopting in the next sprint onwards. These are the 9 important activities which normally Agile tester would perform in day out in his Scrum teams or his Scrum activities in an Agile environment. I hope you are able to get hold of the complete things as a how Agile tester would be working in a Scrum team and what all the activity which is going to perform in day out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click on like button, and if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.